Zoidies and Zoyos, welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. I'm so excited. Today it's gonna be something a little different. Because why y'all asking for Mr. Zoid talking about voiceover spread? I don't know how this is going to go, and I don't know what he's going to say. Kinda nervous because the man has a mouth on him, okay? But I'm excited because it's something different and new and fun, and I think he's excited to do it too, so. Kind of worried. This spread is actually going to be really fun because, little boo-boos. I'm not into them at all, and I don't care about them, but I don't know. I thought it would be fun to do something trendy in my planner. So it's going to be a fall Labubu kind of theme spread. Something cute, I guess. I'm not ready for whatever is going to happen on these spreads in this video. But anyways, real quick before I let hubby take over Mr. Zoid, I want to shout out my Zoyos. Thank you guys so much for supporting my membership, and I will be releasing more tiers coming soon this year. So thank you guys for supporting Plannerzoid, and yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. Let's get to it.
All right, y'all, we got this Happy Planner, this book, that Happy Planner over there. We're gonna put this thing on up. Can't forget the Labubu. You can't be Delulu without the Labubu. Okay, we're gonna pop this little Happy Planner. You know, get a little spooky season. Mr. Zoid here, and I would just like to say that this is my journal. I use this one for affirmations, thoughts, and just all around just fun. Like, you can't find your planner piece with this. If I take you a great little journey right here, you could see we're going on a self-love journey, affirmation, gratitude, highlights. I'm a fall girly. I'm sorry, through and through. I love my fall. But anyways, as you can see, I'm stylizing over here. Got my rings. Got this other thing in my hand. Can't forget the cat eye. I was so upset when she called this a neon. Sorry. Get back to it. Happy Planner. All right. Let's get it. Okay. As we flip through the plans, we're getting through the stickies. Ooh, that didn't have what I want, so I'm gonna go somewhere else. I gotta go through some more stickies. That ain't have what I want, so I'm gonna go somewhere else. I gotta go through some more stickies. I don't got what I want, so I'm gonna go through something else. Alright, anyways, y'all. Recollection of Happy Planners. I just realized that maybe there was something here I want. I gotta stop doing that. These things are amazing. These things are great. You know, I just gotta give you some boxes. Maybe, you know, you might get a little skitter talking head from Mr. Zoid. Probably not, because it's not in the budget. I'm always getting fired. We're gonna start with this bullet box right here, sticker box. So you already know is Labubu has to go on right next to the box, and I couldn't remember the name of the pattern around the box, and I was stalling. I just forgot, but I know what the Labubu is. Labubu is so choo-choo. I'm gonna go with the Winky Labubu because, you know, it's kind of, put that right. See, I'm showing you another ways. You can sometimes have it in a horizontal orientation. It doesn't always have to be vertical. Get creative with your planners. Whatever is your planner piece. Yeah, gotta give you another box. Keep it in the fall colors. You know I like that monochromatic for the fall. You know, and then, you know, why not put an orange Labubu with the brown box? Because I put a brown Labubu with the orange box. And of course I did. This one's kind of cute. It got a little pumpkin on his shirt. It looks snuggly and cozy. Spooky season. Did I say Labubu enough? You gotta get the Lulu for the Labubu. I don't know. I'm not feeling this. It's got some, like, you know, maybe the little stomp could work. Because I can see the Labubus going to the stomp. I don't know much about that character and what they do in their lore, but they like stomps, right? You can't stomp me. Anyways, we're gonna just keep this thing rocking and rolling. You gotta put the mushroom caps. The mushrooms are so nice. They look really beautiful. I could just see those Labubus eating those mushrooms. They're all cozy in their fall. They have built-in sweaters. Yes, you gotta check the nails. Nail cam. All right. We gonna clock it one time with this sticker one here. Yes, got a little mushroom on that box. Gotta put that right there. Make sure you line it up right here. Check the technique. I'm the method. I'm Plannerzoid. I'm the method. I'm the method. You guys follow me. Oh, but don't worry about this little mistake. I'm gonna show you how to get it out there and get that back. I'm the method. Yeah, see that? Got that right. She is never this cocky. She would totally disapprove of this. Is this why I get fired so much, chat? Is this why Mr. Zoid gets fired so much? I like to speak to the HR department. Anyways, getting back to it, nothing to it but to do it. I gotta find some more boxes because we gotta capture all these amazing journeys, gotta organize, find that planner piece. We are farmers. Bum 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 bum. And we have so much to do. Can't keep a good woman down, and that's what I do. That's how I plan it, and I even decorate while I plan. Yes. We gotta put the Labubu. The Labuski goes here. Oh yeah, he's happy. He must have just had a mushroom. But anyways, as you can see with with my dot matrix paper here in this journal, this is just perfect for that multifunctional use that you need before you just go in with all your decor. I am loving this box right here. This box right here is very exceptional, very beautiful. It features some pumpkin stuff and some more autumn stuff. And for those of you coming to the Plannerzoid shop, you can't go wrong with that pattern. You recognize this pattern. Oh, she gonna get me for messing up that pattern name. I'm looking dead at it. I helped with that and everything. And that pumpkin. It's the pumpkin patch. La-boo-boo. As you can see. You see that right there? You see? Not everything has to be pristine, crisp, and order. Sometimes you can, if you want to, that's your business if you want to cock it to the side a little bit. That's your business. Just, keep it in the planner. As best as you can. Because I know how y'all are. Y'all rummage through these stationaries, and y'all do it so well with grace and poise. Gotta do the flip through before I put the stickies. And I have to switch it up. I gotta get some to-do lists. Because this planner is functional. It's not all about, it has to be functional. It has to be. This Labubu is gonna go here, and I'm gonna cover the to-do list because I don't want to put a to-do right there. I'd like to put it somewhere else. And Labubu said I don't need to do that, so whatever. What else? I'm chill like that, Come meet me down at your local Chinese restaurant, where I'm asking for the if they have tofu, sesame tofu, or General Tso's tofu. I hope I pronounced that right. I have errands to run, and I'm gonna put that here, right there. But should I put it there? No. I'm gonna put it right here in this negative space. This negative space right here is perfect for errands. And I have errands to run. Negative space. This negative space right here is perfect. And can you check out the nails? I really wanted my husband to see this and do a voiceover over this because, he needs to pay for the nails. Am I right, ladies? Clock it. All right, we're gonna come in with the. Why would she do this to me? She know I know that. We have the the dot marker by. She didn't even leave it on the desk for me to read it off, but okay. I just got it, just all around dotty goodness. On the other side, it's very functional where you could draw. Oh, I can see it right here on the thing. This is a, oh, dang it, I didn't read that, but that's okay. Cause you know what I do know? That these dots gonna get dotted. You know, circle, circle, dot, dot. Labubu is on the job, and as you can see, I love these autumn colors. They complement so well. I ain't never seen some hands look. Anyways, I have some more. As you know, this is a gratitude affirmation. We're on that journey with each other, and we're gonna stick to our goals, and we're gonna self-motivate and motivate others, and we gotta show some self-love. So that's why I have that functional pocket in the back of the planner. So these are readily available. I most of the time keep these there because although I might get a little over under with the decor of this planner, I still have this functionality. And this is for the 16th and 17th. And I showed a little affirmation. Gotta show a little self-love. Just the other day I had a nice bath with all the soaks to help with the chronic pain that I'm in. I don't like telling you guys about the chronic pain. My husband made me tell you. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I just really just... Can I be real with you today? Today was a day. I went into the barbershop and they didn't line me up. They wanted to charge me a full price for a haircut for a lineup. Don't they know a brother got locks? Anyways, we're back to our journal of self-discovery. Gotta show gratitude. Make sure you put your points of gratitude in there. Make it a point to write down some gratitude. If you don't do nothing else, I need to hear 5 things which you're grateful for in the comments. Or if not, I'm gonna spam Labubu on your comment. Labubu is the Lulu. As you can see, I got a spread. You gotta be the big show right here of the spread. As you can see, take it in. But I want to still show some little love, cause you can't not label these boxes. You know, if not, it's just gonna be all over the place. Gotta give you some highlights, affirmation, gratitude. And as you can see, I have highlights. I have gratitude, affirmation, highlights, and self-love on the 16th and on the 17th. And I'll only do errands on the 17th because the 16th, that's my time. And hubby doesn't have to know about that, okay? That's my time. I am not a computer. I am not just some machine that can just do errands all day for. I have to have my time. And of course, I'm covering the errands. I'm covering the errands with gratitude because it's my time. This is not that kind of planner. This is not that kind of planner. Okay, I don't know what you thought this was. This is not. Am I right? We're going in the fall, going in strong. Make sure you you check out the Etsy store. I will let you guys know in haste if I have it on vacation mode or if the chronic flare-ups or anything's going on that prevents me from fulfilling those orders. No, for real, she's not lying about that at all. Like if y'all seen what I've seen. Anyways, getting back to it, this ribbon banner is just so functional. You could use it for bullet points, you could use it for decor, but no, we're gonna put self-love over across of it. If 1, 2, 3. Yes, and as you can see, I want to show off the nails because hubby needs to pay for a whole new set. Am I right? Tell him, clock it, ladies. Y'all go over there to Mr. Zoid's content or whatever. Let him know he needs to get back to work. He needs to fund more of this operation and show some love. Oh, it is used for bullet points. See, I thought she was gonna cover that. See, and I love it. I love this. I love this part right here. The distress oxide pads. This adds an element of brush and texture visually, and if you could just feel how it feels on the paper. But anyways, we're gonna get back to it. We're gonna get our brush and we're gonna put it on our pad and we're gonna brush. Brush. Maybe I might, get a little. No. Let me think about that. Yeah, I'm gonna get a little light brush here. Get a little Bob Ross going on painting. That's one way to yourself love. And if you get a little bit on that la boo boo, it's okay, boo boo. Because that's what we do over here at the Zoids. And shout out to all my Zoils checking in with the girl. I mean, dang, am I supposed to be in character with her or him or me? Anyways, I'm me and I'm doing this well. I'm the method. You see that right there? You see that? That brush stroke right there? You see that? You see that? I'm coming in clutch. I'm locked in. Okay? I don't subscribe to grind culture because I'm already locked in, baby. I need my rest, okay? And this is what brings me peace, joy. I'm passionate about this. And a little corn on the side if I must. Show this. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? The distress, the oxidized, the textures, the gradients, the boxes, functionality with artistic style, convention, poise, clock it, yes. Why did I tap table? And we're gonna keep this lunar planner and we're done.